What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a $2,000 mystery box from one of my Instagram followers. So sit back, relax, and let's pray for OOS. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy and the YouTube algorithm. All right. Like I said previously, I purchased a $2,000 mystery box from my Instagram follower, his name right here, Ivy Heat Co. Hit me up one day and he said, yo, let me do a mystery box for you. You can either do 1,000, 1,500 to 2,000. And I think since we have already done a $2,000 box, I said, you know what, you've seen my videos, let's see what we can get, and we're gonna go straight into it. Let's see if we're gonna be able to get a dub. I mean, this is very, very risky because you're not really sure in terms of what kind of value, what they even sell, or, you know, just kind of a risk. But I thought this would be fun for the YouTube community, YouTube family. So we'll go ahead and straight up open this box. I'm praying that I can come up with something. I'm gonna open it up, go straight in. So this time he actually sent us 2 boxes. I believe that when he was packaging it, he did forget to send this box over. So I'm gonna go and open this one first, and then we'll go in straight into this big box. So number 1, let's see. Yeah, this is a little bit more different in terms of what we're used to. Don't really do this often, but it was kind of an opportunity, and we're looking to see if, you know, other people are willing to do this as well. So let's go and open this straight up. Y'all see me open it. We're gonna flip this. Do you guys see the box? What is it? What is this? Feels okay. I think this is a Jordan box. It is not. Oh, I know exactly what this is. I actually just sold my pair. Let's see. This is an Air Jordan 4 size 8. I actually did a video on these. I still love this pair. It was sad for me to let them go, but I did end up trading them for another pair that I love. But let's see if this is a dead stock shoe. Okay. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is a size 8 taupe haze. Make sure you guys say that correctly. This is a Jordan 4, and generally there was a big release in terms of a lot of pushbacks. You guys can tell when I did that review, I talked about the suede that's on this. I specifically really like the shoe. It's still moving in terms of like value. The value's not as high when it was pre-hype. This is like the Travis look-alike. Definitely gonna be a good addition to our counter. So if you guys didn't know, if the pairs have not been sold yet, they will be on the website www.ooskicks.com. I'm not a size 8, so these will be hitting straight to the site, and then we'll go ahead and add this straight to the counter right here. For the beginning of the box, this is pretty good in terms of what we're doing, so we'll go ahead and keep it pushing. All right, so let's go ahead and now open this box. Let's see exactly what we can get. I'm not gonna look into the box, but I gotta be careful so I do not cut myself. Okay, all right, here we go. I'm opening this right with you guys. You guys can probably see a little sneak peek, and you guys can see my reaction. Oh, it looks like we have all box pairs, which is a #1 thing for me, because, okay, we'll go ahead and start off with this one right here. What is it? This top doesn't come off, so it is not a Jordan 1. Oh, okay. I actually have not held these in hand yet. So this one is a size 11. I think I know exactly what this is. This should be the Cool Gray 3 that was re-released recently. He even threw in a throwback Travis 1. We'll go ahead and open this box. So this is a size 11, Cool Gray 3. Not bad. This is a dead stock shoe, which is perfect because dead stock shoes are movers. You know, you got that iconic 3 version that everybody has. You have that Jumpman Air on the back. I definitely like this. I like what they did with this. Value on these I don't think have skyrocketed. I think they're generally around, I think, $250. Probably will have to check the resale market, but definitely a great addition, dead stock pair. These will be thrown onto the website, so we'll go ahead and keep it pushing. Okay. All right, without looking, let's go ahead and pull something. Okay, so this does not feel like a Yeezy box, thank the Lord. It feels like a Jordan 1 box. Woohoo! All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so it is a, oh, okay, so it's a size 8.5. Sail black dark mocha. I hope this is dead stock, man, because this is gonna put us like right. Oh yeah, I knew exactly. Sale dark. I did a review on these, how I spent like $5,000 on these, but ooh, dead stock pair. Air Jordan 1 Mocha, these have been flying off the website. I think this pair is a money size, going for about like 500 to 520. As you can tell, you have that iconic, that Mocha, man. This was a shoe that went crazy. I think this is what started off the high priced Jordan 1s that have been releasing like crazy. So, ooh, I'm happy about this. The iconic Mocha one. So definitely gonna be a great addition to the counter. I think we already got the taupes, but I think we're simmering at about like $1,000. Hopefully about $900 to $1,000, but definitely gonna be on the website, size 8.5. I'm glad he didn't give me a 10 because your boy got a bunch of 10s. Perfect, that's already 3 out of 3 dead stock shoes. Ooh, I'm loving it right now. All right, Ivy Heat Co, man, check them out on Instagram. We got 3 more shoes here. So what is this? This feels to be there's no way. Another Jordan 1 box? Okay, all right. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to legit check these after, but bruh. Okay, we got an Air Jordan 1 white, black, university blue. Bro, why can't my mystery boxes all be like this? Goodness gracious. And it is a dead stock pair, size 8.5. Oh my goodness. Okay, dude, so yeah, I'm pretty much speechless right now because the last 2 have been definite bangers. I think we're gonna be at around like a $1,300 to $1,400 range if I'm just like off top of my head. Beautiful mystery box already. I'm okay with this as long as they're dead stock pairs. Usually movers are harder when they don't have the box, but you guys know this iconic Jordan 1. Would I still rock these over the ones that we currently just showed off on our Instagram? I'm still probably gonna go with the Hyper Royals, but definitely gonna be a great addition to our counter. We're gonna keep it pushing. My guys, man. Oh, this is a great mystery box already. Okay, so we got, I think, 2 more shoes left, and we have about $1,400 in value left. So, man, I'm loving this. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. Okay, so this is another box. I'm not sure exactly what this one is. Maybe like a Jordan 4? No. Oh, wait. It is a Jordan 4. Okay, what is this? It is a women's Air Jordan 4. Okay, this is a Starfish, so definitely thought that this was gonna be like a crazy shoe, but you know, these released just recently. 4s have been going crazy, and I'm hoping that this is a dead stock pair. I think I've seen pairs sit for about around retail or a little bit higher. Still, as long as it is dead stock, we are in a very happy mood. OOS is definitely getting those pairs in because this will definitely move. Probably not as high. You know, I didn't really notice this, but compared to the different 4s, I don't really know if I like the texture on this specific shoe. Very scaly. You got that like Starfish vibe with this one. I think it's cool. I think this is a definitely cool shoe, especially like in the sun. You can tell that the changes in the shoe kind of change out when there's light that reflects onto it. Yeah, I can't complain about this. I would say pairs go for about like, I think retail's like $200. So generally I probably would price this at like $230. One last shoe, man, and we're probably ranging at like the $1,700 range. $2,000 is a lot. So I'm hoping that we can get something that, you know, we're all gonna be able to be happy about. Let's see if there's any, we got packaging paper, we got, okay, that's it. All right, so this is it right here. Guys, please tell me that this will put us over that counter. This feels to be, does it pop off? Oh, this is a Jordan 4 box. You can tell by this little hole that's there, but let's go ahead. Yo, so this is funny because Union just released that they have a 30th year celebration that's coming out. I'm not gonna even read it because you know that there's only 2 types of these 4s. So I'm hoping that I got, on the last one we had a mystery box. We opened up a guava. So I'm hoping that this is a, okay, damn. I'm hoping that this is a Nor because the Nor prices have been going crazy. Let's go. My guy, what size is it? And it's a size 9. Damn, I just bought a used pair of this Jordan 4 Nor, but I am a size 10. Let's go ahead and My God, he gave me all dead stock shoes. That is crazy. I do have to confess, I was a original hater when this shoe first made its debut all over Instagram. I was not a fan of this, but as you can tell in my last video, I bought one already that has it unstitched because I do not trust myself doing that. Definitely think that these are gonna be heavily rocked with in the summer by me. This is a size 9, so it's gonna be thrown straight onto the website, but damn, this was a fire ass mystery box from my guy, Ivy Heat Co. This is at least 2,300 to 2,400, I'm telling y'all right now. Woo! Jordan 4, man, you got the Norse right here, and this is what, I don't know. Is it because like he follows me on IG and he does that? I don't know, but to be blessed like this, 5 dead, like almost, what is that? 5 dead stock shoes, 6 dead stock shoes in a mystery box? Man, I cannot go wrong on this. Yo, my heart is like pumping right now because these are all gonna be definite movers. I'm very, very happy that these are not my size because now we're able to move these very quickly on the website, and damn. All right, y'all, man. What do you guys think? Like, do you guys think that this was kind of skewed? Do you think that this was a very good mystery box? Is this how it should be? I don't know. It's hard for companies to be able to do this and provide these kind of things to people that are doing mystery boxes because this can be like money that can be sold and made. So yeah, man, this is a great mystery box. I definitely think that I will be ordering again from the guys at Ivy Heat Co. Make sure you guys follow down on their Instagrams, check them out because I'm pretty sure that they're gonna be throwing out many more steals in terms of these kind of mystery boxes. So I don't even know what to say. I think this is definitely a W. Probably this is a high contention for that sneakers bar box that we just released out that video, but this one is crazy, man. Let me know down below what you guys think. Should we keep doing this? Should we keep allowing Instagrammers to provide us these mystery boxes? Because I would love to do this again from all the people that support us. If you guys are trying to throw like a joke or something, or even just like for real, because mystery boxes are fun. It allows me to connect with you guys, let me know what you guys like, and we're gonna go ahead and keep it pushing. So I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Always remember, y'all, stay in stock with out of stock kicks. Peace!